Good evening, good evening, good evening, Negi soldiers. How are you? I hope you people are doing well. My friends, we are discussing full course on basic thermodynamics for GATE and ESC 2022 and 23. But today we are going to discuss displacement work for isobaric, isothermal and adiabatic processes. Are you ready? Bolo re baba, ready hai? So my friend, those who are coming first time to our YouTube channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Devendra Singh Negi. I'm mechanical head Unacademy branch, GATE All India rank 1, 2019-20 engineering sciences paper. I completed my master's from IIT Bombay. I was the topper of my batch. I'm teaching for GATE and ESC since 8+ years. Till now, I have mentored more than 50,000 students in online, offline, and seminar mode. But this is my profile on Unacademy platform. I'm Unacademy verified, ranked second mechanical educator in GATE and ESC category, having more than 3,000 dedications. बेटा जब स्टूडेंट्स Unacademy प्लेटफॉर्म पर वीडियोस देखते हैं, क्लासेस देखते हैं, तो उनको नॉलेज हेड्स मिलती हैं एंड they dedicate the knowledge heads to their favorite teacher. So I am very fortunate that I am having the highest knowledge heads in technical category. Now my friends, one more important thing, beta, which generally people don't know. We are taking the free classes on YouTube as well as on Unacademy platform. There is a segment called Unacademy free special classes where we are taking completely absolutely free classes beta. So अगर अभी तक आपने Unacademy learning app install नहीं किया है, if you haven't installed Unacademy learning app, quickly install Unacademy learning app, because if you are installing the Unacademy learning app, you will be getting the two benefits. The first benefit is you will be able to unlock your free plans. The moment I'm saying you will be able to unlock your free plan, that means you will be able to unlock your free special classes, you will be able to unlock your free quizzes, your free test series, and of course free Unacademy combat for GATE. They will be asking you the invite code for unlocking the free plans. So for Negi soldiers, there is only one invite code. There is only one invite code. What is that? What is that? Negi 10, Negi 10, Negi 10. Jao re baba. Now, second benefit, beta. Second benefit which you will be getting, you will be able to directly send me the message. Yes, on Unacademy learning app, you are having this facility that you can directly send the message to the educator, and any doubt, whatever the doubt you people are having related to your preparation, short notes कैसे बनाने, कौन सी रेफरेंस बुक को फॉलो करना है, कहां से प्रैक्टिस करनी, each and everything I'm going to tell you. आपको सिर्फ एक मैसेज करना है. Basically, this Unacademy learning app is bridging the gap between you and me, between Negi soldiers and Negi sir. Yes, 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 yes. My friends, as I told you, we are taking the free special classes on Unacademy platform. This Sunday is not the ordinary Sunday. This Sunday is the Negi 10 day, where I'm conducting a beautiful mock test. Yes, rock the mock GATE ME, where I will be conducting the test on thermal sciences and fluid mechanics morning 11 o'clock, and then there are so many students who are asking PYQs of convection. So in the evening 7 p.m. we are going to list the PYQs. So Sunday 24th January 2021, we are going to meet morning 11 o'clock and evening 7 p.m. Good evening, good evening. Oh my God. This is the Evolve for GATE 2022 Mechanical Batch C, Ascent for GATE 2023 Mechanical Batch C, which is getting started from 25th of January Monday. बेटा ये बैच आपको ज्वाइन करना है. If you are looking for the edge on others, अगर आप चाह रहे हैं कि आपको एक एक्स्ट्रा एज मिले लोगों पर जो लोग लेट स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं, then this is the batch to join. Don't worry बेटा, your Negi sir is going to teach all his subject in this particular batch. आपको बिल्कुल चिंता नहीं करनी है. I'm going to take the classes. 25th of January से स्टार्ट हो रहा है बैच. अगर आपको किसी भी तरीके का कोई क्वेरी है, डाउट है, मुझे Unacademy लर्निंग पर मैसेज कर दिए. इफ यू आर हैविंग माय पर्सनल कांटेक्ट, यू कांटेक्ट मी ओवर देयर. लेकिन ये बैच है जो कि आप ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं, नेगी सोल्जर ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं, यूजिंग द रेफरल कोड नेगी 10. यूज द रेफरल कोड नेगी 10 एंड ज्वाइन दिस बैच, बिकॉज इट इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर यू. ओह माय गॉड, एंटर द इनवाइट कोड, एंटर द, और व्हाट इज द इनवाइट कोड रे बाबा? बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा. व्हाट इज द इनवाइट कोड? नमस्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते, आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ रे बाबा. व्हाट इज द इनवाइट कोड? व्हाट इज द इनवाइट कोड? बोलो बोलो बोलो, कम ऑन एवरीवन, व्हाट इज द इनवाइट कोड रे बाबा? नमस्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते. There is only one invite code for Negi sir and Negi soldiers. Negi 10, Negi 10, Negi 10, Negi 10. Yes, 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 yes. Chalo, 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 chalo. Let us have the quick revision of last class beta. What we discussed in the last class? Last class में क्या discuss किया था हम लोगों ने? What we discussed in the last class? Anyone in the class can tell me? In the last class, we discussed displacement work. In the last class, we discussed displacement work. In the differential form, it was like this: del WD is equal to PdV. Whereas in integral form, it was something like this: displacement work for the process 1 to 2 is equal to integration 1 to 2 PdV. Chalo, this is what we have seen beta. This is what we have seen. Now listen carefully, listen carefully, listen carefully beta. Let us suppose I am having, let us suppose some process is taking place and I am moving from state 1 to state 2, let me say via path 1A2. Fine. Let us suppose another process is taking place. Let us suppose another process is taking place where I am moving from state 1 to state 2 via path AC2. बिल्कुल ध्यान से देखना बेटा. Let me say here the volume is V1, here the volume is V2. But now listen carefully, listen carefully. Can I say delta V 1A2 change in volume for the process 1A2 will be exactly equal to change in volume for the process. इसे B मान लो ना, बीच में गैप कैसे आ गया, इसको B मान लो. For the process 1B2 and is equal to V2 minus V1. But ऐसा मैं क्यों लिख पा रहा हूं? Why I am able to write like this? Because volume is a property of the system. Volume is a property of the system. Volume is a state function or point function. And if I am moving from state 1 to state 2 via any path, doesn't matter, the change in volume will remain same. Delta V1A2 will be 100% equal to delta V1V2 is equal to V2 minus V1. I hope everyone is able to understand. And of course, if I want, I can write like this. If I want, I can write like this: integral 1 to 2 dV via path 1A2 is equal to integral 1 to 2 dV via path 1B2 is equal to V2 minus V1. Yes, of course. Yes, of course, I can write like this. Yes, of course, I can write like this. Because volume is a property. Volume is a property. Volume is an exact differential. Volume क्या है बेटा? एक exact differential है. volume is an exact differential. That's why I am writing integration 1 to 2 dv 1a2 is equal to integration 1 to 2 dv 1b2. But let us talk about work interaction. Let us talk about work interaction. Can I write? मैं आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूं. I'm asking one beautiful question to you people. Listen carefully. Can I write displacement work for the process 1a2 is equal to displacement work for the process 1b2? क्या मैं ऐसा लिख सकता हूं? Can I write displacement work for the process 1a2 is equal to displacement work for the process 1? Are impossible. Are I am having PV diagram now. On the vertical axis I am having pressure, on the horizontal axis I am having volume. You know what is the displacement work? Displacement work on PV diagram, displacement work is basically area under the curve projected on volume axis. You can see areas are different. आप देख सकते हैं areas different हैं. Look at here. Let us have the feel. Look at here. Between below 1a2, this is the area. This is the area under the curve projected on volume axis. And if you want to see what will be the displacement work for 1b2, this is the area under the curve projected on volume axis. Of course, both are different. In fact, the displacement work done during the process 1a2 is more than the displacement work done during the process 1b2. The reason is I am having more area under the curve 1a2 as compared to 1b2. You are aware of this, beta. So I cannot write 100%. एक चीज तो क्लियर होगी, मैं नहीं लिख सकता, मैं नहीं लिख सकता. Even though I am going from the same state to same state 1 to same state 2, but I cannot write. Even though in both the processes 1a2 and 1b2 I am going from state 1 to 2, but I cannot write that displacement works are equal for the process 1a2 and 1b2. That means the displacement work is depending on the path followed. Displacement work is basically the path function. Displacement work is basically the path function. It is not the point function or state function. It is going to depend on the path. It is going to depend on the path. Now listen carefully. बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनना बेटा. If displacement work is a path function, it is an inexact. It is an inexact differential. So how are we going to represent बेटा? ध्यान से देखना. Integral del W 1 to 2 for the path 1a2 is not equal to integral 1 to 2 for the path 1b2 del W. Are you able to understand? बेटा ये del symbol क्या represent कर रहा है? Are you able to understand? When I am representing the differential form of displacement work, I am not writing d. I am avoiding that d, and instead I am writing del. Beta, this del is representing work interaction. Displacement work is basically inexact differential. Let us see the conclusions beta. ध्यान से देखना क्या क्या conclusions आ रहे हैं. Let us see the conclusions. What is the first conclusion I am getting? Even though initial and final states are same for both the paths 1a2 and 1b2, even though for both the paths initial states are same, initial state is 1, final state is 2, but work interactions are different. Hence work interaction is a path function. Work interaction is a path function. याद रख लेना बेटा, work interaction is a path function. It is not point function or state function. Work interaction is an inexact differential. जो पाथ फंक्शंस होते हैं वो इन एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंशियल होते हैं बेटा, ये इंटीग्रल इक्वल नहीं होता, ये इंटीग्रल इक्वल नहीं होता। इंटीग्रेशन 1 to 2 del WD via path 1A2 is not equal to integral 1 to 2 del WD via path 1B2. In differential form, work interaction is represented by, देखना बेटा del से represent करते हैं और in some of the books they are representing by D cross, ये भी ठीक है, but don't write D, don't dare to write D, बेटा ये गलत है, दिस यू कैन नॉट राइट डी डेल डब्ल्यू डी, बेटा ये गलत है, ये गलत है, बिकॉज द मीनिंग ऑफ डी इज इट इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग द डिफरेंशियल फॉर्म ऑफ सम स्टेट फंक्शन विच इज रॉन्ग। ठीक है, यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर है बेटा? आपको अगर लिखना है तो या तो आप ये लिखो या तो आप ये लिखो डी क्रॉस, अरे एक मिनट, देखो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, यू कैन नॉट राइट डी डब्ल्यू डी, दिस इज रॉन्ग, दिस इज रॉन्ग। So what you can write is either del WD or D cross WD, ऐसा आप लिख सकते हैं। ठीक है, आई होप एवरीवन इज क्लियर टिल हियर। कंफर्म कर दो बेटा, कंफर्म कर दीजिए। आई होप एवरीवन इज क्लियर टिल हियर, प्लीज कंफर्म मी बेटा। यहां तक क्लियर है तो फिर आगे चलेंगे। Are you clear till here? Excellent, excellent, excellent. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, चलो नाउ लिसन केयरफुली। वही सेम नाम सुनाई दे रहे हैं घूम फिर के, विश्वजीत, विशी, चिराग, भारती, सानुजीत, नीतीश, साहिल। चलो बेटा, displacement work for various processes. So now we are going to see what will be the formulas of displacement work for various processes. One by one we are going to see isochoric process, isobaric process, isothermal process, adiabatic process, polytropic process, and at the end maybe for some random process also we are going to see how to find the displacement work. तो देखिए बेटा, isochoric process, बेटा for isochoric process if you are able to recollect, volume was constant. And if volume is constant, that means dV is equal to 0. dV is equal to 0. Now look at here. What is the formula of displacement work? PdV. So if dV is 0 for isochoric process, कोई आगे डिस्कशन ही नहीं है, dV is 0. So del WD is 0 basically. तो इसमें तो कोई डिस्कशन नहीं है बेटा, याद रखना। फॉर आइसोकोरिक प्रोसेस यू आर हैविंग ऑल द बाउंड्रीज एज रिजिड बाउंड्रीज। आइसोकोरिक प्रोसेस में जितनी भी बाउंड्रीज होती हैं, वट एवर द बाउंड्रीज यू आर हैविंग, ऑल दोज आर रिजिड बाउंड्रीज, ऑल दोज आर रिजिड बाउंड्रीज। So there is a no displacement work. So there is a no displacement work. No means zero basically. यहां तक क्लियर है सब लोग? I hope everyone is clear till here. यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर है? यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं? Now any intelligent student of the class can tell me why I am writing del here, what this del is representing, what this del is representing. Why I'm writing del here? This del is representing displacement work is in exact differential, and of course this is valid for any gas, any substance. Chalo, let's talk about isobaric process beta. Now anyone in the class, what happens for isobaric process? For isobaric process, what will happen beta? Can I say pressure is constant? For isobaric process, what is going to happen? Can I say pressure is constant? Means what? dP is 0. Can I say dP is 0? Pressure is constant, dP is 0. Can I say for isobaric process, pressure is constant, dP is 0? 100%. There is no doubt. There is no doubt. dP will be 0. अब ध्यान से सुनना. What is the formula of displacement work 1 to 2? Integration 1 to 2 P dV. Now this P, can I say this P is constant beta? Pressure is constant. And if this pressure is a constant, can I take it out of the integration? Can I take it out of the integration? Yes, of course we can take it out of the integration. The moment I am taking it out of the integration, what will happen beta? What is going to happen? Can I say WD 1 to 2 is equal to P integration 1 to 2 dV. Integration 1 to 2 dV will be equal to what? Integration 1 to 2 dV will be equal to what? Anyone in the class can tell me integration 1 to 2 dV. अरे अभी तो बताया था volume is a point function, state function, exact differential, so doesn't matter whatever is the process. If I am going 1 to 2, so integration 1 to 2 dV will be equal to what? V2 minus V1. So here in place of this, what I am going to get? V2 minus V1. I hope everyone is clear till here. यहां तक क्लियर है आप लोग? बोलो रे बाबा, आर यू क्लियर टिल हियर? बोलिए बेटा, यहां तक क्लियर है आप लोग? यहां तक क्लियर है? नाउ लिसन केयरफुली. Can I say WD 1 to 2 is equal to what? P V2 minus V1. But this is the formula. This is the formula of displacement work for isobaric process. Now, what are the conditions? What are the conditions for applying this formula? बताओ बेटा, इस फार्मूले को लगाने की क्या क्या कंडीशंस हैं? First of all, this formula is valid for any substance. This formula is valid for any substance. This formula is valid for any substance. किसी भी substance के लिए आप लगा सकते हो. There is no problem. For any substance you can use this formula. But that substance must consist some closed system. System must be closed system. And the process undergone must be internally reversible isobaric process. अरे देखो ना, which formula we are using for finding the displacement work? Which formula we are using? WD 1 to 2 is equal to integration 1 to 2 PdV. And you remember yesterday we have discussed, for applying this formula we are having two conditions. The system must be closed system and the process must be internally reversible process. अब देखो बेटा, कितने ही लोगों को, there are so many students who are having this doubt. I'm telling you, thermodynamics is very easy. Thermodynamics is very easy. but we are not understanding the conditions. There are number of students who are having this doubt, sir, displacement work WD is equal to P delta V, P V2 minus V1. They think this formula we can apply for any process. वो सोचते हैं ये फार्मूला कहीं भी फिट हो जाएगा. They think this formula will be applicable for any process. No beta. मैंने आपको दिखाया, I have shown you how are we getting this formula by taking this P out of the integration. And if you are taking the P out of the integration, there is only one condition when you can take this P out of the integration if P is constant, and P is constant only and only for isobaric process. So the condition for applying WD1 to 2 P delta V, the first condition, it means it is not the condition, you can apply for any substance, doesn't matter. The main two conditions are what? The system must be closed system and the process must be internally reversible isobaric process. Are you clear till here? Yes बेटा रोहित, यहां तक आप लोग क्लियर है? बोलिए बेटा, यहां तक आप लोग क्लियर हैं तो बोलिए. यहां तक क्लियर है तो बोलिए. Now listen carefully, listen carefully, listen carefully. Very good beta. Now let us move little forward. Let us move little forward. Please observe. Analysis for an ideal gas. Analysis for an ideal gas. देखो ध्यान से. कैन आई से PV is equal to M capital R capital T. So 100% P1 V1 is equal to MR T1, or you can say P2 V2 is equal to MR T2. Now look at here beta. Let me say this is equation number A. Let me say this is equation number B. Now ध्यान से देखना. Listen carefully. Equation B minus equation A. If I am doing equation B minus equation A, what are we getting beta? क्या मिल रहा है हमको? Can I say I am getting P2 V2 minus P1 V1 is equal to MR T2 minus T1? Yes, 100%. अच्छा, for isobaric process, if I am having isobaric process, can you tell me beta, for isobaric process what will be the relation between P2 and P1? For isobaric process what will be the relation between P2 and P1? Anyone in the class can tell me beta, जल्दी से बोलो. For isobaric process what will be the relation between P2 and P1? फटाफट से बोलेंगे बेटा. For isobaric process what is the relation between P2 and P1? Equal, 100%. P2 is equal to P1, let me say is equal to P. So can you observe beta, I am getting PV2 minus PV1 is equal to MR T2 minus T1. Are you able to understand one beautiful thing beta? P is common, P is common. P V2 minus V1 is equal to what? MR T2 minus T1. Any intelligent student of the class can tell me what is this P V2 minus V1 for the isobaric process? अभी बताया था बेटा. Just now I have told you. Just now I have told you what is this P V2 minus V1 for isobaric process. अरे this is your displacement work ना रे बाबा. This is your displacement work. This is your displacement work for the process 1 to 2. So displacement work for the process 1 to 2 is MR T2 minus T1. MR T2 minus T1. अगर आपको याद आ रहा है, I have given you this beautiful thing. M into capital R can be written as N into R bar. Mass into characteristic gas constant can be written as number of moles into universal gas constant. Yes or no? N R bar T2 minus T1. क्लियर है यहां तक? आई होप एवरीवन इज क्लियर टिल हियर. अरे देखो, मास विल बी व्हाट? मास विल बी व्हाट? नंबर ऑफ मोल्स इंटू मोलर मास. आर विल बी व्हाट? यूनिवर्सल गैस कांस्टेंट divided by molar mass. Molar mass will be getting cancelled. N into universal gas constant will be remaining. But this is the formula. This is the beautiful formula. Any intelligent student of the class can tell me what are the conditions for applying this formula. What are the conditions for applying this formula? कोई बता सकता है बेटा? What are the conditions for applying this formula? जल्दी बताओ. Gas must be ideal gas. System must be closed system. Sir, why are you saying ideal gas? Arey champu, I have derived from the ideal gas equation na, and the process must be what? Process must be what? Internally reversible isobaric process. बेटा याद रखना, P delta V, P V2 minus V1, this formula you can apply for anything, any substance. But if you are applying this formula, MR delta T, that means MR T2 minus T1, or NR bar delta T, that means NR bar T2 minus T1, you have to make sure your gas is ideal gas. यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर है? आर यू क्लियर टिल हियर? कंफर्म कर दो बेटा. यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर है? कंफर्म कर दो फटाफट से. Then I will be moving forward. So this is about isobaric process. This is about isobaric process. Now let us see isothermal process beta. Any intelligent student of the class can tell me what are we having for isothermal process beta? Can I say for isothermal process I am having temperature is equal to what? Temperature is equal to what? Constant. Can I say for isothermal process temperature is constant? Can I say for isothermal process temperature is constant? For any substance. For any substance. For any substance. For any substance. Now listen carefully. If I am having an ideal gas, can you tell me for the same isothermal process what is the equation? What is the equation in terms of pressure and volume? What is the equation in terms of pressure and volume? What is the equation in terms of pressure and volume? Bolo re baba, bolo re baba, bolo re baba. Come on everyone, come on everyone, come on everyone. Yes, yes, yes. Excellent है रे बाबा. PV is equal to constant. PV is equal to constant for ideal gas. Now look at here. Here, what is the meaning of this? I will be telling you बेटा. यहां से तीन चीजें निकल के आती हैं बेहतरीन सी. From here you will be getting three beautiful things. From here you will be getting three beautiful things. First thing, ध्यान से देखना बेटा. That means pressure can be written as constant divided by volume. Second thing, I can write P2 V2 is equal to P1 V1, or I can write V2 by V1 is equal to P1 by P2. यहां देखना बेटा. That means P2 V2 is equal to P1 V1 can be written as M capital R constant temperature plus N R bar universal gas constant into capital T. यहां तक आप लोग क्लियर हैं क्या बेटा? Are you clear till here? ये कंफर्म करना बेटा. Are you clear till here? फटाफट से कंफर्म कर देंगे. Are you clear till here? यहां तक आप लोग बेहतरीन तरीके से मेरे साथ हैं. And this must be equal to that constant. है यहां तक मेरे साथ? है यहां तक मेरे साथ? Are you clear till here? Are you clear till here? यहां तक सब लोग झमाझम तरीके से क्लियर हैं? बोलिए बेटा. चलो. Now listen carefully. Whatever I'm doing for an ideal gas. Analysis for an ideal gas. देखना बेटा. Please observe carefully. Displacement work 1 to 2 is equal to integration 1 to 2 PdV. Beta, for applying this formula, what are the conditions? For applying this formula, what are the conditions? If I am applying this formula, what are the conditions? अगर मैं displacement work का ये formula लगा रहा हूँ integration 1 to 2 PdV, what are the conditions? The system must be closed system and the process undergone by the system must be internally reversible process. ठीक है. अब देखना बेटा. Just now I have told you for an ideal gas pressure can be written as constant divided by volume. This constant is this is constant na re baba. This is champo. This is constant na re baba. So it will come out of the integration. 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 So WD 1 to 2 is equal to what? Capital C 1 to 2 1 by capital V dV. Now listen carefully, listen carefully, listen carefully. What will be the integration of 1 by V beta? What will be the integration of 1 by V? 100% ln V. So what I'm going to get? What I'm going to get here? Displacement work 1 to 2 is equal to C ln V 1 to 2. At state 1 volume is V1, at state 2 volume is V2. So displacement work 1 to 2 is equal to C ln V2 minus ln V1. So WD, displacement work for the process 1 to 2, is equal to C ln M minus ln M by N. So ln V2 by V1. इसी को ही नेक्स्ट पेज पर लिख रहा हूं बेटा. So listen carefully. Displacement work 1 to 2 is equal to C ln V2 by V1. Same formula can be written as this also. C ln V2 by V1 is what? P1 by P2. P1 by P2. I hope everyone is clear till here, beta. अरे बोलो रे बाबा, are you clear till here? Excellent, excellent, excellent. Now, any intelligent student of the class can tell me what are the conditions for applying this formula. What are the conditions for applying this formula? जल्दी से बताओ बेटा. What are the conditions for applying this formula? बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा. What are? This is, I'm telling you, thermodynamics is very, very, very easy. The only thing is you should know what are the conditions for applying the formulas. The only thing is you should know what are the conditions for applying formulas. जल्दी बोलो. Gas must be what? Gas must be what? Ideal gas. System must be what? System must be what? Closed system. Process must be what? Internally reversible. Generally isothermal processes are reversible only. Internally reversible isothermal process. I hope everyone is clear till here. Confirm कर देंगे बेटा. यहां तक सब लोग झमाझम तरीके से क्लियर है. Now listen, 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 listen. ये C क्या होगा रे बाबा? What will be this C? What will be this C? ये C क्या होगा? ये C क्या होगा? What will be this C? What will be this C? What will be this C? P1 V1, or you can say P2 V2, or you can say M capital R T, or you can say N R bar T. I hope each and everyone is clear till here. यादीप क्लियर हो बेटा? SR, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. ये हुई ना बात, ये हुई ना बात. अरे नेगी सोल्जर्स आर ऑन फायर रे बाबा. नितेश, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. आई होप एवरीवन इज क्लियर टिल हियर. कंफर्म कर देंगे बेटा, कंफर्म कर देंगे फटाफट से. यहां तक क्लियर है सब लोग? अब सर, कैन यू ऑब्जर्व देयर आर टोटल 8 फार्मूलाज ऑन योर स्क्रीन. क्या आपको समझ में आ रहा है? There are total 8 formulas on your screen. There are total 8 formulas on your screen. Are you able to understand? P1 V1 ln V2 by V1. P1 V1 ln P1 by P2. 2 formulas. P2 V2 ln V2 by V1. P2 V2 ln P1 by P2. MRT ln V2 by V1. MRT ln P1 by P2. NR bar T ln V2 by V1. NR bar T ln P1 by P2. There are total 8 formulas. There are total 8 formulas on your screen. कौन सा फार्मूला कब लगाना है सर, कैसे? और चंपू, आई विल बी टेलिंग यू रे बाबा, योर नेगी सर विल बी टेलिंग यू व्हेन टू अप्लाई विच फार्मूला, व्हेन टू अप्लाई विच फार्मूला, मैं बताऊंगा बेटा आपको, ध्यान से देखो। अरे क्या बात है, क्या बात है, एक ही बारी में इतना स्ट्रेट लाइन खींच रहा है रे बाबा, सही सही सही, एक्सीलेंट। देखो बेटा, let us suppose in the exam they have given you P1, let us suppose in the exam they have given you P1, they have given you V2, they have given you V1, they have given you V2. Let us suppose in the exam they have given you P1, V1 and V2. What is the formula you people are going to apply beta? कौन सा फार्मूला लगा दोगे? Very easy. Displacement work 1 to 2 is equal to what? P1 V1 ln V2 by V1. Correct? I hope everyone is clear with this. Now, suppose in the exam they have given you P1, V1 and P2 and P2. अब कौन सा फार्मूला लगाओगे आप? Let's say in the exam they have given you P1, V1 and P2. Now which formula are you going to apply? Now which formula are you going to apply? अब देखो, WD 1 to 2, C की जगह क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? C की जगह क्या हो जाएगा? In place of C I will be writing P1 V1 ना, ln P1 P2 are known, so I will be writing P1 by P2. I will be writing P1 by P2. I hope everyone is clear. यहां तक क्लियर है बेटा झमाझम तरीके से? I hope everyone is clear. P2 by P1 नहीं है रे बाबा चिराग, it's P1 by P2 बेटा, याद रखना V2 by V1, V2 by V1 is equal to P1 by P2. ऐसी गलती जिंदगी में आप दोबारा मत करना बेटा. I will come in your dreams and I will kill you if you are doing such mistakes again. Yes, yes, excellent, excellent, excellent. चलो एक चीज और देखना बेटा. Let us suppose they are giving you nitrogen gas, they are giving you M, they are giving you P1, they are giving you P2, they are giving you constant temperature. बताओ. Now what is the formula you people are going to apply beta? Now what is the formula you people are going to apply? Nitrogen gas is given, nitrogen gas is given, mass of the nitrogen gas is given, P1 दिया है, P2 दिया है और T दिया है बेटा. Now what is the formula you people are going to apply? Now what is the formula you people are going to apply? फटाफट से बताना तो. अब क्या फार्मूला लगाओगे? अब क्या फार्मूला लगाओगे? अरे बोलो रे बाबा. WD 1 to 2 is equal to M R T ln P1 by P2. Now my doubt is आपको तो R दिया ही नहीं. In the question he haven't given you characteristic gas constant. In the question he haven't given you characteristic gas constant. ये कहां से आएगा? ठीक है, R कहां है? We are not having R. We are not having R. We are not having R. ये R कहां से आएगा बेटा? ये R तो R is not given. Characteristic gas constant is not given. Characteristic gas constant is not given. क्या करोगे अब? फंस गए रे बाबा, फंस गए रे बाबा, फंस गए रे बाबा, फंस गए, फंस गए रे बाबा, फंस गए रे बाबा, फंस गए रे बाबा, फंस गए. हाँ मौली, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड, ये हुई ना बात. एक्सेलेंट एक्सेलेंट एक्सेलेंट. This R will be R bar divided by molar mass. Nitrogen is given ना, नाइट्रोजन इज गिवन, तो R will be equal to R bar. Molar mass of nitrogen is how much? 28. Yes, yes, yes. Very good, very good, very good. ये हुई ना बात. Excellent, excellent. बेटा ये देखना तो एक बार क्या हो सकता है और एग्जाम में आपको क्या दे सकते हैं. हाँ, मान लो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स दे दिया, T दे दिया, V1 दे दिया, V2 दे दिया. Now what are you going to do? Let's suppose in the exam they have given you number of moles, temperature, V1, V2. Then what are you going to do? आप क्या करने वाले हो? What will be the formula of displacement work बेटा? N. Champu is saying, sir, R bar is, or Champu, R bar, you should remember, Baba, it is universal gas constant, right, Baba. You should remember the value of R bar. N, R bar, T, ln V2 by V1. I hope everyone is clear with all these things. अब समझ में आ गया कौन सा फार्मूला कब यूज करना है. थोड़ा सा आइडिया लग गया. When are you going to use which formula? I hope everyone is able to understand now. बोलो आ रहा है मजा? बोलो बेटा आ रहा है मजा? मजा आ रहा है क्या? बोलो रे बाबा. Are you enjoying? Are you enjoying? अरे मजा 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 मजा. अरे सही सही सही. एक्सीलेंट एक्सीलेंट एक्सीलेंट. वेरी गुड. कयूर, संतोष, चिराग, चिट्ठा रंजन भी है रे बाबा, चिट्ठा भी है. भारती वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. कयूर एक्सीलेंट एक्सीलेंट एक्सीलेंट. आज जाओ रे बाबा, आज जाओ रे बाबा, आज जाओ रे बाबा. अपने सारे दोस्तों को बोल दो बेटा बेहतरीन क्लासेस चल रही हैं थर्मोडायनामिक्स की. सबको बता दो, सबको बता दो, सबको बता दो कि आ जाओ थर्मो पढ़ने. चलो नाउ माय फ्रेंड्स, ये आपको पता है ना बेटा, every day I am uploading the notes of the class in this Telegram channel beta. You can download the notes of the class from this Telegram channel, Negit 10. Already more than 6,600 students are there. If you are not able to search Negit 10 Telegram channel, तो इस लिंक को अपने एड्रेस बार में डाल देना बेटा. You will be able to join. एंड अगर अभी तक आपने मुझे अनअकैडमी प्लेटफॉर्म पर फॉलो नहीं किया है, फॉलो मी ऑन अनअकैडमी प्लेटफॉर्म सो दैट यू आर नॉट मिसिंग एनी फ्री स्पेशल क्लास. बेटा फ्री स्पेशल क्लासेस आई एम टेकिंग कंटिन्यूसली ऑन अनअकैडमी प्लेटफॉर्म. इफ यू डोंट वांट टू मिस, फटाफट से आ जाओ, है ना. इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू सर्च माय प्रोफाइल, दिस इज द लिंक विद द हेल्प ऑफ विच यू कैन सर्च मी. और अनदर थिंग बेटा, another thing which is very important, on the description box, on the description of this video you will be able to find this link. वहां से भी आप मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हैं. बेटा tomorrow I am going to discuss displacement work for adiabatic. adiabatic कल डिस्कस करेंगे. adiabatic, polytropic and random processes. ठीक है. वेरी गुड संतोष. संतोष थैंक यू सो मच बेटा. And this is, my friends, as I told you, I am taking number of free special classes on Unacademy platform. This Sunday is not the ordinary Sunday, it is a Negit 10 day. 24th of January is not the ordinary Sunday, but it is Negit 10 day where I am going to discuss, I am going to conduct basically a mock test, mock the raw gate mechanical, thermal sciences and fluid mechanics, entire syllabus of thermal sciences and fluid mechanics I am going to cover. 2 hours test is there, 11 AM to 1 PM, and then in the evening 7 PM I am going to discuss the questions on convection. PYQs. Beta, this is Gyan Ganga. This is Gyan Ganga, beta. In this Gyan Ganga, whatever the free classes I have taken either on YouTube or Unacademy platform, Unacademy free special classes, but everything is arranged in a properly systematic way. In a proper systematic way, each and everything is arranged. हर चीज पूरी systematic तरीके से है. Whether it is of applications of thermodynamics, ICE engine cycles, basically Otto cycle, diesel cycle, dual cycle, or maybe gas power cycles, Brayton cycle, vapor power cycle, Rankine cycle, air conditioning, everything is arranged in a proper way. Fluid mechanics के सारे chapters पूरे अच्छे तरीके से रखे हुए, but convection, radiation, PYQs, everything is arranged in a proper way for heat transfer. Previous years XE question papers, answer key, detailed solutions, everything is there. Special sessions, what is XE? 6 months preparation study, everything is there. Thermodynamics, basic concept, entropy chapter. बेटा हर चीज जो मैंने पढ़ाई है YouTube पर या फ्री स्पेशल क्लासेस में बहुत ही प्रॉपर तरीके से रखी हुई है. सर यहां तक कैसे पहुंचेंगे ज्ञान गंगा तक? बेटा ये है लिंक. टाइप दिस लिंक इन योर एड्रेस बार एंड यू विल बी एबल टू रीच ज्ञान गंगा. हाउ द ज्ञान गंगा विल लुक लाइक? In the first column, you'll be having the name of the chapter. Second column, lectures, lecture numbering. Third column will be having the topic covered in that particular lecture. Here you'll be getting the video class link. Here you'll be having the link of class notes. But if you are liking the session, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, share and comment. Comment बहुत ही जरूरी है. Comment आप लोगों के बहुत ही जरूरी है बेटा. Now, if you haven't installed Unacademy Learning App, beta, you can install the Unacademy Learning App, because the moment you are installing the Unacademy Learning App, you will be unlock your free plan. The moment I'm saying you'll be able to unlock your free plan, that means you'll be able to unlock your free special classes, free quizzes, and free test series, free Unacademy Combat for GATE, and other most important thing, you'll be able to send me the message directly. आप मुझे directly message भी send कर सकते हैं. You can ask me anything. सर नोट्स कैसे बनाने, शॉर्ट नोट्स कैसे बनाने, कौन सी बुक से प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करनी है, कौन सी बुक से थ्योरी पढ़नी है, कंटेंट पढ़ना है, कौन सी रेफरेंस बुक्स बेस्ट हैं, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू. आई विल मेंटर यू, डोंट वरी बेटा. Now this is the batch to join, beta. Evolve for GATE 2022 batch C is starting from 25th of January. Ascent for GATE 2023 batch C is starting from 25th of January. ये batch आपको join करने हैं. Those who are Negi soldiers, use referral code NEGI10. Referral code NEGI10 use करो. The moment you are using the referral code NEGI10, you are making sure your Negi sir is going to mentor you personally, is going to guide you personally. I will make sure your dreams are coming true. The only thing which you have to do is you have to use the referral code NEGI10. After that, you will be my personal responsibility. I will be single point contact for you people on Unacademy platform. Now listen carefully. The moment you are using NEGI10 on joining the Unacademy Plus, जैसे आप NEGI10 use करते हो और Unacademy Plus join करते हो बेटा, you will be able to access the live classes. In case you are missing the live classes, you will be getting the access to the recorded videos. आप recorded videos भी देख सकते हैं. You'll be getting the daily practice problems, practice sheets you are going to get. You need not to worry about the doubt cleanse, because on Unacademy Plus every 4th class is doubt cleanse session. You will be getting the doubt solving group. जैसे ही आप NEGI10 use करते हैं, you will be messaging me, sir, I have joined Unacademy Plus using the referral code NEGI10. I'm going to add you in all the doubt solving groups. You need not to worry, where me and my team members are present. Next most important thing, you will be having the weekly quizzes. You will be getting the details on the weekly quizzes. You need not to worry about this part. Also, you will be having the batches in Hindi and English language. Those who are my Negi soldier from the southern part of the country, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, or maybe Odisha, maybe Kerala, you need not to worry. Your Negi sir is standing here. I will take care of you, beta. You need not to worry. And you will be getting the revision batches also. Once your syllabus is over, we'll take care of your revision. You'll be getting the crash course. You'll be getting the rank improvement. Now listen carefully. Those who are financially well settled, I will be advising them to join NEGI10 Army by using the referral code NEGI10. They can take Unacademy Iconic. But on Unacademy Iconic, whatever the features are there on Unacademy Plus, you will be getting the same features. Other than that, you are getting few extra features which are worth paying something extra. But you will be getting the personal coach. The moment I'm saying personal coach, this personal coach is going to guide you one-to-one. You will be getting the one-to-one guidance from the personal coach. This personal coach will be helping you in study planner. You will be getting the customized study plans. This personal coach is going to analyze your weekly quizzes performance and is going to give you the corrective measures so that you can improve in the future tests, future quizzes. You'll be getting the study booster sessions from the Unacademy, how to increase the efficiency of learning, how to enhance the skills of writing the exam. आपको सब चीजें मिलने वाली हैं इन सब वर्कशॉप में. At the same time, you'll be getting the preparatory study material, theory books, problem books, everything you'll be getting over here. Now, those who are the Negi soldiers, the moment they are using their own referral code, they will be getting the maximum discount. Yes, for each and every Negi soldier, the referral code is Negi10, Negi10, Negi10. The moment you are planning to join the Unacademy Plus using the referral code Negi10 for 12 months, it will be reduced to the subscription fees for 12 months will be reduced to 27,225 rupees. For 18 months, it will reduce to 34,650 rupees. For 24 months, it will reduce to 39,600 rupees. Now, the most important thing, Negi soldiers can pay this amount in no cost EMI also. Sir, what is the meaning of no cost EMI? But whatever is your total amount, 39,600, let us suppose some Negi soldier is planning to join for 24 months, whatever is your total amount divided by number of months. For example, this will come out to be 1,650 rupees. So you just need to pay 1,650 rupees per month, which is literally 55 rupees per day. That's it. There is no extra cost, there is no interest, there is no hidden cost. सिर्फ मात्र 1650 रुपए आपको पे करने हैं हर महीने 24 महीने तक, so that you will be getting the Unacademy subscription for 24 months. Now this is the fee structure. This is the subscription fee for Unacademy Iconic. And why to use Negi10? Because Negi10 is not just a code, it's an emotion which is connecting me and my team to you people. Negi sir to Negi soldier, Jhamajam classes to Jhamajam learning. Are you getting to Bolo Re Baba? Bolo Re Baba. The moment you are using Negi10, you should be proud of using the referral code Negi10 because it is the referral code of the Mechanical Head Unacademy brands GATE All India Rank 1 2019-20 Engineering Sciences paper, which is a record in the history of GATE exam. The most important thing, जैसे आप Negi10 use करते हैं, you will directly access my personal mentorship, and I'm telling you, I'm going to make sure that your dreams are coming true. The only thing is you must be ready to work hard. अगर आप hard work करने के लिए ready हैं, then there is no problem. I will take care of you. This is my team to whom I'm leading on Unacademy GATE MEPIXC YouTube channel. So Mechanical plus XC मतलब Negi10, Negi10, Negi10. Thank you so much. किसी का कोई doubt है तो पूछ लो बेटा. Anyone having any doubt, feel free to ask. किसी का कोई doubt है तो पूछ लीजिए. Anyone having any doubt, feel free to ask. We are going to meet at 7:15 PM again. 7:15 पे मिलेंगे and we are going to discuss one Jhamajam Negi trick for safe factor और view factor. कई बार बच्चे इसमें बहुत घबराते हैं, इसकी भी मैं ट्रिक बताने वाली हूं. Yes, Vishwajit, I am from Uttarakhand. नहीं बेटा, टाइम उतना ही है ना. Ajay, generally it is only 1 hour. Ajay, generally it is 1 hour. Generally 1 hour होता है, लेकिन मैं कभी कभी थोड़ा टाइम रहता है तो ले लेता हूं लंबी क्लास. No doubt, crystal clear है रे बाबा. Sir, what happened to Unacademy special class 7 to 8 PM of thermodynamics? Yes, very soon I am going to start beta. I'm planning that. I'm in planning phase. जैसे ही मुझे थोड़ा टाइम मिलता है मैं start करूंगा. I will start. Okay, good. अच्छा Biswajit, I think you are on plus ना? I think you are already on plus. No, when I'm saying absolute temperature, specifically we are talking about Kelvin only. Kelvin में लिखना चाह रहे हैं हम लोग, है ना? We want to write in Kelvin. और बोलिए, किसी का कोई डाउट है? विसी मेरे को मैसेज कर देना, मैं वहां पे गाइड कर दूंगा बेटा आपको। और किसी का कोई डाउट है? एनीवन हैविंग एनी डाउट, फील फ्री टू आस्क बेटा। किसी को कोई डाउट है तो पूछ लीजिए। एनीवन हैविंग एनी डाउट, फील फ्री टू आस्क। चलो आप लोग फिर फॉरवर्ड करो लिंक्स को, फॉरवर्ड करो लिंक्स को, बहुत कम बच्चे लाइव हैं। संतोष, that I will tell you in second law of thermodynamics, it is impossible to achieve absolute zero temperature. That I will derive also in second law of thermodynamics beta, where you will see that if absolute temperature is reaching to 0 Kelvin, thermal efficiency of reversible heat engine will reach to 100%, which will be violating the Kelvin Planck statement. कल की क्लास कहां पर हुई? कल तो सैटरडे है ना। वी आर हैविंग द क्लास आई थिंक मंडे टू फ्राइडे ओनली ना, मंडे टू फ्राइडे। मे बी आई विल प्लान सम स्पेशल क्लास फॉर यू पीपल। देखता हूं, कल तो सैटरडे संडे तो नहीं होती है क्लास यूट्यूब पर। मंडे टू फ्राइडे वी आर हैविंग ना बेटा। विल सी व्हाट वी कैन डू। हाँ, मुझे थोड़ा सा टाइम दे दो, ठीक है। अजय कैसे हो बेटा? नाइस कंटेंट, थैंक यू सो मच बेटा, थैंक यू सो मच नीतीश। और किसी को कहीं पे कोई डाउट है प्रिपरेशन से रिलेटेड या किसी चीज से रिलेटेड? पता नहीं बेटा, मंडे को क्लास आइडिया नहीं है मुझे याद नहीं है, बेसिकली याद नहीं है। और बताओ, किसी को कहीं पे कोई भी डाउट है प्रिपरेशन से रिलेटेड? कहीं पर भी कोई डाउट है, कैसे तैयारी करें, क्या करें, किसी भी तरीके का डाउट है? सर आप इतनी एनर्जी लाते कहां से हो? आप लोगों से ये बेटा मेरी एनर्जी, तो मेरी एनर्जी आप लोगों बेटा संतोष। माई एनर्जी बिलोंग्स टू माई नेगी सोल्जर्स। आप लोग मेरी एनर्जी हो, आप लोग इतना प्यार देते हो तो एनर्जी अपने आप ही आ जाती है। बिल्कुल मैनेज हो जाते हैं बेटा जयदीप, कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं होती, बिकॉज क्लासेस मॉर्निंग इवनिंग होती हैं, तो वेरी इजीली देर आर सो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स हु आर वाचिंग माई क्लासेस ऑन अनअकैडमी प्लस एंड दे आर द कॉलेज गोइंग स्टूडेंट्स, तो कभी प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं होती। देखो, और बाकी मेरे तो जितने भी कोर्सेज आने वाले हैं इसी टाइम स्लॉट में आएंगे, 8:30 PM टू 10:30 PM, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं होगी। अर्ली मॉर्निंग और लेट इवनिंग होती है क्लासेस, तो सब मैनेज हो जाता है। थैंक यू सो मच बेटा नीतीश, आराम से मैनेज हो जाता है। ट्रू। किसी को कुछ और डाउट है तो पूछ लीजिए, किसी को कोई और डाउट है तो पूछ लीजिए बेटा, कोई भी डाउट किसी भी चीज से रिलेटेड, फील फ्री टू आस्क। ग्रेट 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 ग्रेट, कीप इट अप बेटा। संतोष, मेहनत करते जाओ बेटा, बस मेहनत करते जाओ। चलो फिर, देन विल स्टॉप हियर। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच बेटा, थैंक यू सो मच।